If you do this, in 7 days time, we'll be claiming a special reward. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually complete a mission. Actually, it's going to take you 7 days to do this, but in my opinion, it's worth doing it. So after completing this mission, then you're going to be actually able to get special reward. So how do we go about that? You guys are familiar with the Telegram tapping game, whereby you can engage in fight or battle with your character. And you can see that this game is actually very interesting because the characters are so cool. Okay, so now let us just go straight into how to engage in this stuff. So check the link in the description. I will drop a link there where you'll be able to use to get your dashboard. Once you have your dashboard and you've agreed and signed in with Google, you will actually be signed in and you will come into a dashboard that looks like this. So here we are actually earning Pix. Now I have 22,000 Pix and this is real. Okay, so I can actually go ahead and complete a task by going over to this place that says Demo Playground. If I click on Demo Playground, it's going to bring me to another tab where I can be able to use to play the online Web3 game. This is no longer the Telegram bot game. This is the Web3 game. So I'm going to go ahead and just sign in using the same Gmail account that I used on my dashboard. So we'll go ahead and click on sign in. All right, after signing into my account, right now it logged us in, and this is what it looks like. Actually, it is what it looks like. So when I click on start playing, and I can actually use my mouse, zoom in and zoom out. You can see from here I have 2,195. I don't know what I can call this right now, but I can just make use of. Let me just go ahead and just mute that. All right, so from here right now, you could see this is the interface of the game. If you're just starting up from the beginning, you might actually be in a room. Let me try to locate the room. But yeah, okay, the room should be somewhere located up. All you need to do is just to keep moving downwards, like down. Okay, let me just try to locate that room that they actually put us in when we start the game for the first time. Maybe I can't locate it, but for those of you that will play for the first time, you know how to go about it. So the game is really interesting. You have to just complete the tasks every day. Make sure you're able to locate this arena. Take note of these places. These places are very important places in the game. So once you're inside the game, come over to this place that shows the save icon. Click on it, and it's going to tell you that you have 7 missions. See, from here it says complete 7 daily missions and get a special reward. I've completed 3 so far, and I'm actually waiting for today's own to unlock in 8 hours. The next one is going to unlock in 8 hours. These are just simple tasks whereby you just come here and talk to this guy. Click on his icon. When you click on the icon, that's for those of you that will be playing but for the first time. Click on the icon and they'll give you some tasks to go ahead and talk to some people. For example, they will tell you to talk to Misty. They might also tell you to talk to this other girl here, Sonia. They might also tell you to talk to someone called Craig Phillips. Yeah, this guy here also. Just take note of this thing, guys. If you do this, in 7 days time, we'll be claiming a special reward. Please, guys, take this very important. I love to see you guys succeed in this Pixelverse. That's why I come every day and bring new updates to you guys. Don't forget there is a link to our Telegram channel where I talk about a lot of other kind of airdrop that I help to post on YouTube. Alright guys, check the useful link in the description. I'll put this link to your dashboard and guide you to create a dashboard account and then avail this stuff. Enjoy this today. Please do not skip it until tomorrow. Start now. Peace out.